Africa, my continent, Africa, my home, Africa, the land of our ancestors, Africa, the land of my birth, Africa, the continent of God. Into eyenzakalayo awubheka iWest Africa ihlangene neSouth Africa, sikunikeza iProgress Report yobuntu buhlanganiswe yini ibhakede. Ubuntu amnamngcele, ubuntu amnalanguage, ubuntu amnambala, nabu ubuntu. Ubuntu ngoba ubuntu busiza umuntu. Here, that is a house that we are building. Today, I'm here to give you the progress report, how far we have gone. You got the previous report, but now my focus today is on the material for the roof. Here we are today. This material came today. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, it came today. Tomorrow, they will start putting everything together for the roof. I hope all goes well. This is how far we have gone. Bit by bit, kancane kancane. We are halfway through. As soon as this one is together, then we collect the tiles, because even the tiles, everything is together now, waiting to go on top of the roof. Thereafter, done. Thank you, Africa. Thank you, Progress Report. Mr. Anonymous. Here we are now. Because of weather conditions, it derailed us, it delays us a lot, but at least there is a light at the tunnel. Hey, wena khoza niyaphila? Siyaphila. Yeah. This is how far we have gone. We are pleased to inform you that the progress is of this level. Kunjani baba? Siyaphila baba. Siyaphila. Kuyaphusheka. Zameni mafowethu. Zam. Yeah. Now, because it's almost finished, we are at the roof now. You can clearly see how big it is. Without the roof, we couldn't identify how big this house was. Now you can see. This is a decent house. You know, if you build a house, you build a house in a manner that if you might happen, it might happen that you have to sleep in the house. You have to sleep in this house. If you can take the ownership of this house, you won't regret. This is how we build the houses. For the person who is in need of the house. We are proud of ourselves. We are proud of Africa as a continent. We are very proud. Ubuntu. Ubuntu. If you build a house, you don't treat icala. You don't treat icala. When's that the perfect one? Thank you.